Hi guys, and we are back, and welcome to episode 7 for the Shoppers for Life series. And as we continue on, doesn't this really look good? Now, I'd kind of like knowing to show more what's your favorite lunch meat. And this is a Shaffle recipe. This is the easy peasy Shaffle recipe that I made earlier, but now I'm just giving you an ideas what you can use the Shaffle sandwiches for. So with this particular sandwich, we ended up getting the deli meat, the Pimento Loaf, and it's been one of my favorite cuts of meat that I get from time to time. And then I showing you how easy it is to cut. They put a slice of cheese and a little mayonnaise on the sandwich, and then I ended up having it with my favorite Coke Zero. So let's get right to it. You're gonna need 4 slices of ultra thin provolone cheese. And if you remember the process, we're going to take a couple of eggs, whisk them, and there's the eggs that we always use, the organic free range eggs, the large brown. And of course, we could take one egg and I cracked it, and then I realized I needed another one, and then I whisked another one right in with this egg. And got the shop will make it going, and 3.5 minutes later, we popped out one, another one, another one, and another one. You get the idea by now, since you've been watching my playlist. And let me know what you want to make for some more Shaffle recipes. I got a whole bunch of ideas, but we're going to keep going with what we have. And as we get time, we'll make them. And it's the ultra thin cheese that I was showing you about. It's really, really paper thin. It's really good. It comes out quite easy. Just be careful you don't tear it. And if you tear it, you can just put it right over the mini dash. No big deal. But yeah, so let's continue on with the process, and we'll talk about it at the end of the video. Okay, so we're back. So this made two sandwiches, and I ended up taking the two slices of the Chaffles, and I ended up freezing them in the freezer bag. And again, you can make these up ahead of time. They're great. Couple slices of deli meat and a slice of American cheese. And my question of the day is, what is your favorite go-to on your deli meat? And oh yeah, I ended up putting that sandwich bread on mine because I recall I thought I mentioned mayonnaise at the beginning of the video. But this is pretty good for a sandwich for today. This would probably be a dirty keto meal today because of the sandwich bread. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.